Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video from. Today I'm going to continue IGCSE past paper questions on indices. In the first video on this one, I solved the different questions. So I did question 1 all the way to question 8. And I noticed that I made a mistake somewhere. One of the questions here. Yeah, this question, please, if you watch the first video, when I simplified this and this one, I made a mistake. It was supposed to be 3 power negative 2, so which will give you 1 over 3 squared, and this was the correct answer. Please, I hope you didn't get confused there. Okay, so let us continue. So this is where we are going to continue from. As I normally say, if you want, you can pause the video and then you proceed, you first try the question, there's no problem about that. So now this is the question. I hope at this point you have already mastered some basics of the rules of indices, okay? Now, what do we do here? As I said in one of the previous questions, whenever I see the power, the exponent here is a fraction. I always advise students, pay attention to that. It's very tricky in the exams. One thing you need to know. So when you express this in powers, it will help you. So this is 5 power 25 is power, it's 5 power 2, okay? And then x power 6. All of this power 3 over 2. Are we together here? Good. Now, when you reach here, you multiply on each. So it will be 5 power 2 times 3 over 2. Okay, then x power 6 times 3 over 2. Are we together here? Now, what do? I simplify, right? This 2 goes with that. So, and then this is 2 simplifies with that. I'll get 3 here. Okay, so what do I mean with? I'll get with 5 squared, 5 power 5 power 3, and then x power 3 times 3, it gives me 9. So what's the final answer, guys? 125. Okay, x power 9. Did you get this question before? Did you pause the video and you got the question? If you got that one, write in the comments, okay? Good. Next question. What do we have here? Now, another good question, and I want everyone to pay attention here. Before I do the question, I would like everyone to see this trick in the exam. So they give you a fraction, and then this fraction, the power is also a fraction. Not only that, but also this power, the exponent here, has a negative. So that's a trick one. You need to know what to do. So let me try to do something here. A over b power negative 1. What does that mean in mathematics? It means it's going to be a power minus 1 and b power minus 1. But this one is taking edges, So the easier way, instead of doing that, it's just you just reverse the fraction. So instead of writing that, I can simply write b over a, right? So if you want, I can continue here. It's 1 over a divided by 1 over b, and then it will give me 1 over a times b over a, over 1, sorry, and then gives you b over a. All together, guys, this is that. That is it. So instead of wasting your time doing that, you just write this and you're done. Okay? So that's exactly the same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to reverse this. So it's going to be 16 x power 16 over y power 8. Then all of this power 3 over 4. Did you see what I've done, guys? I've reversed, done the reciprocal of this and this, then change the sign. Because power negative 1 is just doing the reciprocal of that. Okay, good. Now, again, like what I've said in the previous question, be careful. The power is a fraction, so write all of this in power. So 16 is the same as 2 power 4. Then I do times 3 over 4 altogether, guys. Now, x power 16 times 3 over 4. Now, all of this, y power 8 power 8, then times 3 over 4. Are we together here? Good. Well, then, can I simplify now? This one cancels with that. I'll get 2 power 3, which is 8. Okay? Now, what about this one? 4, which will give me x power 12, right? Okay? Over, this one simplifies with that, gives me 2. So it's y power 6. Okay? Very good. I hope you have understood. What about here now? We are dividing. So if you are dividing, you just get 32 divided by 16, that is 2. And when you are dividing numbers of the same bases, you subtract the power. So it's going to be g power 16 minus 8, which will give me g. Let me write it better. This was the 8 here, and then this is the g power 8. Okay, 2 free marks in the exam. Question B, what do we have here? Again, we have a power. You need to express this in power. So it's going to be, this is 5 power 5, right? Can I confirm with the calculator? 5 power 5. No, it's 5 power 4. 5 power 4. Yeah, 5 power 4. Good. 5 power 4, then times 3 over 4, and then k power 8 times 3 over 4. All together, guys? Good. Now, this one, this one. So I'll get 5 power 3. This one and this one. This will be 2, which will give me, this is 2, then will give me k power 6. So the final answer will be 125, then k power 6. Okay? I hope you understand the way I simplified. I simplified here. I'll main with 3. Then here I'll main with the 2. Then times 3 gives you that. Okay, next question. Good. Try the question. Give it a go. You know, there's no problem. Pause the video and try the question, right? Good. Now, very good question, by the way. I would like you to see what I'm going to do. What is this? This is square root, right? So it means it's going to be 5 q power 3 over 2. Okay? You can check from the previous questions I did in the first video, even, yeah, first, the video I did before this one. So if I say square root of x, I mean x power a half. I mean, yes, power half. Okay, good. Now, here it is the square root, and then will be that. Now, what about this? So let me first simplify this. Good enough. I've done the previous one. This is the 5 power 4 times 1 over 4. Am I talking to someone? Okay. Now, p power what? P power 12 times 1 over 4. Okay. What do I get here now? 5 q power 3 over 2. All of that. I want you to see this. Cancels here. Then I'll make with 5, right? Then p, this simplifies with this. This is 12. 12 divided by 4 gives me 3, right? Okay. Now, what do you see? This one simplifies with this. This one simplifies with that. Then what do I mean on the top? I'll mean with the, did I make any mistake? Did I? Can I check? I'll mean with 5 at the bottom. Oh, here, it was power 5, power 3. Bad. This is power 3. Yeah, do you see here? Everything is power 3. Good. Now, this is power 3 here. Then it will give me, when it will be 5 squared, right? You see that? Then here it will be p power negative 2. Because it was down, I took it up. Then I'll get q power 3 over 2. Okay? Redo the question and check if what I did is correct. If there's anything you don't understand, feel free to ask me. I'll explain again. Good. Next. Very good question here now. What do I have? So before I do anything, I have to make sure that this one and this, they're in the same basis, and this one as well. Okay. Now, 32 is 2 power what, guys? 32 is 2 power 5. So bracket x squared, because they told you to solve the equation. This is a 2. By the way, let me cross multiply just to avoid the. So when I cross multiply here, will be 16. 16 is 2 power 4. 4 is 2 power 2. And 32 is 2 power 5. Okay? Good. Now here it will be 2 power, I'm talking about this, 2 power 2 bracket x squared. I did cross multiplication, guys. I can write it like this. There's no problem about that. X squared. This is x squared. Now 2 power 4. All together, guys. Good. Now here it is 2 power 5x squared minus 5 equals 2 power 2x squared times 2 power 4. What do I get here now? This is 2 power 5x squared, right? Minus 5, okay, equals 2 power, by the way, let me. So here we are multiplying and the bases are the same, so I can add the powers, okay? Remember that. So it is 2x squared plus 4. Plus 4, okay? Good. What do I have here now? So if bases are equal, powers are going to be equal. So this is 5x squared minus 5 equals 2x squared plus 4. Okay? I've said if bases are equal, powers are going to be equal. That's why I'm equating the powers. That's why I'm equating the powers, which is 5x squared minus 5 equals to 2x squared plus 4. Now, what do I do next? Correct like sums, guys, okay? So it's going to be 5x squared minus 2x squared. Math is amazing, guys, okay? Equals to 4 plus 5. All together? Very good question here. Now, this gives me 3x squared equals to 9. Then divide by 3 both sides, divide by 3 both sides. Then I'll get x squared as 3. So x is plus or minus square root of 3. You can check if I didn't make any mistake, but most likely the working should be okay. Okay? Good question. You can do it by yourselves and check. Okay? I'm just checking if I didn't make any mistake. 5, yes, is okay. Then this is 2x squared. This is the will be plus 4. Yes. Okay, you check. Okay, let me know in the comment. Okay, good. I'm stopping here this video. Please, in the next video, I'm going to do question 14 and question 15. Very good question, by the way. Try it before. So thank you very much. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video. EK Math, we love mathematics. EK Math, we love mathematics. Okay?